Hey guys, and welcome to the Complete Python course 2019, perfect for beginners. This fully updated course is perfect for those of you that wish to master the fundamentals of programming. You'll be guided through all of the key aspects of Python, building a solid foundation with tons of skills that can be applied to any programming language. Not only does this course help to teach you the basics, but you'll also be able to revise your skills in a whole other course provided completely for free. So we have designed this course to be the best tool to master the programming fundamentals. But you're probably wondering, why do this in Python? Well, according to stack-overflow, Python has shown a far greater increase in popularity throughout the recent years, and it's definitely one of the fastest growing programming languages today, if not the fastest. Even when taking a look at Python alongside some of the other fast growing languages, Python seems to be dominating, and it's also projected to be the most popular programming language far into the future. What can you do with Python? Well, Python is a very popular language among data scientists as well as startups, and it's being used for many different things such as web development with frameworks such as Django and Pyramid. It's also being used in machine learning, automation and robotics, so Python is a very powerful language. Now, who is this course for? Well, this course has been built to teach the fundamentals in a very simple and easy to follow way, which makes it perfect for beginner programmers. You guys will begin by mastering the basics, where we'll learn the key aspects of programming, which apply to not only Python but other languages as well, such as JavaScript and C. Once we've tackled the basics, we'll move on to take a look at producing a more interactive graphical user interface using Tkinter, which is slightly more advanced but very fun to learn. Then we'll move on to file handling, where you'll learn to create text files and spreadsheets, which will enable you to create databases that can store vast amounts of information. And lastly, we will tackle 5 complex and very interesting mathematical problems, which require efficient and advanced program solutions to return the answers. I've provided detailed video explanations to these problems, where I'll talk you through them step by step. Now, this course will not be the end. You'll also be provided with completely free access to a whole other course I've created full of tons of programming exercises in Python. And here you'll be able to actually learn Python by programming solutions for yourself. So go enroll today, and if you find that this course isn't for you, just remember it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Now go down below and take a look at the course description and curriculum, and don't forget to take a look at the preview videos I've provided. I'll see you inside.